Hi, Kulvinder Singh. How are you? Welcome to this feedback session.
Yeah, hi. Good evening. I'm good. Thank you. What about you?
I am also doing good. Thank you. So, Kulvinder, first of all, I would like to understand for what all courses you have enrolled with I-Medita and how is your overall experience during these courses?
Yeah, I have enrolled for CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure full course, and I have done all the course almost. So my feedback is very good and very positive from my side, as my understanding that there is a very best teaching way in that institute, and all the staff like management, admin, and faculty all are very supportive. Whenever I require for any things related to study materials and help for labs and course details. So all the members very detailed very well.
Okay. So, could you tell us about yourself and your background into the IT industry?
Yeah, sure. I have more than 8 years experience in networking domain, and I really inform you one thing that when I joined I-Medita, that time I was very lack of knowledge in networking domain. When I joined I-Medita, after that I really very well improved in myself in networking as well as in SD-WAN, in SDXA and all that. So
Great.
now I am currently working in GSIC and in Davrent India Private Limited. It's an MNC, so very well reputed organizations.
Great. So, how did you first hear about our courses?
Actually, I heard about that courses from my network colleagues in my last organizations. So he informed me that that institute is very good, and you can just take the demo class for 1 or 2 days. Definitely, you will enroll in that institute. So I think when I searched over the internet and surfing, so I got most of the good feedbacks for that. Then I discussed with you, you know, and you really guided me a lot and in very well manners. So I just enrolled, and then not only for I did not only for go with the feedback on internet. I really see or looked quality in that institute.
So, from which all instructor you took classes, and did you find instructor experience enough in that particular technology?
Yeah, sure. I was instructed with by like Mr. Saurabh Yadav, and he's also very well means good faculty, and Surender Singh also. So I took the classes from both these faculties. So these both are very good in experience. I
So,
can say expertise in the experience,
okay.
not
So
good expertise.
what made you decide to go for CCI enterprise infrastructure? Like, was this your company's requirement, or you already did CCNP training and then you planned for CCI? So, what was the reason? What was the motivation behind to go for CCI enterprise infrastructure training?
There is no any specific reason for from my organization requirement. When I studied about the networking, that time I just made the goal that I need to achieve that goal, CCI lab. So I was searching a best institute for that lab, but I did only find that one.
Okay.
I
And
made it up.
during the training, did you got all the required study material, lab access, required support from our side?
Yeah, definitely. I received all the study materials and help as well as on the whenever I require for the help. So all you guys helped me a lot,
Okay, great.
more than expectation,
Okay,
as
and
per my last institutes I joined. But I will not disclose the name.
okay,
But definitely, yeah.
okay. And when you enroll for this training, like you are pursuing this course since,
I'm pursuing this course since 2020.
okay, during lockdown,
Yeah, but yeah, lockdown. Yeah, because after that I did not join due to lockdown, COVID, and work pressure. Even you really helped me when suppose in that period, suppose 6 months, I have work from my office, so I didn't join that course. So you helped me to like revise course,
right?
enroll in the new course.
And when you were doing these classes, when you were attending these live classes, you
Hmm.
were working with a company, right?
Right.
So how did you manage to balance your work life and your study plan? How did you manage your work life and your educational learning?
I think, as you know, that in that institute, there are two options. I can join the course in the weekdays or weekend. So sometimes I join the weekdays course in early morning. It's 8 o'clock. I think it's too early
Right,
nowadays because I think no other institute will teach or taking the classes in early morning. The I-Medita faculties are very means helpful to us to give the classes in early morning. Or I can and I join in weekend classes also. So by these two slots, we can easily manage
okay,
as per our requirement, as per our spare time. We can say whenever we need the time, so we can just take the class on that batches.
right. And sometime you might miss the classes. So how did you manage those missed content?
Yeah, actually, there is no any content in the classes. There is a software over there. You upload the classes. So I think I didn't feel that it's a live class or this recorded class. It's totally feel like live class.
Great. So when you are unable to join live classes, you are referring the video lectures of those live classes, right?
Right, right.
Okay. So how would you rate the entire quality of training, services, instructor knowledge, study material, lab access on a scale of 10?
Scale of 10, I will give 10 out of 10
Okay, great.
because there is no any issue with me.
Okay, great.
My personal experience here.
And would you recommend our courses to your friends and to others in your network?
Yeah, sure. I think I recommended two or three guys, but I
Right.
didn't get the feedback from these guys that they joined or not. But they asked me, so definitely I informed that I-Medita is the very best choice for network engineers. If you want to go in the network domains, security domains, voice domain, there are lots of domains in I-Medita.
Thank you for the recommendations. And do you have any suggestion for us how we can improve our training and services in future?
Till now, there is no suggestions. I think all are the goods. If I will feel anything, then definitely I'll inform you over
Sure.
the mail, over the chat, over the call.
Sure. Thank you, Kulvinder. Thank you for your valuable
Okay.
time. We wish you all the very best. Thank you for giving us
Okay.
the time.
Thank you. Thank you. So, bye bye.